Hey you guys, in this video for Travel Tech Tuesday, we're going to be looking at the HoMedics Bubble Bliss Deluxe Foot Massage. Okay you guys, so I just got this today actually, and the reason what made me even want to try something out like this is just because a few weeks ago I had stepped on a splinter. Didn't even know I had stepped on a splinter. Was out dancing, celebrating my birthday, and then it's like I looked at my foot later on that day and I'm like, I had a lot of foot pain, and I'm like, what's going on? Why was my foot in so much pain? And I looked and I had the splinter in my foot. I was able to get it out, but my foot has been kind of still having a little bit of pain as it's healing and things like that. So I said, let me check out this Bubble Bliss Deluxe that I did walk past and see. And I was looking online and saw that it says that it, helps for foot pain and feet pain and things like that. So I said, let me go ahead and check it out. So it does say it's a foot bath with massaging bubbles that relieve sore, aching feet. It says that it has invigorating bubbles to relieve sore feet. They boast on having 3 massage attachments that help treat aches and pains in your feet. And then it says soothing heat helps maintain warm water temperature and comfort tired muscles. So again, this is what this is saying. It can help to relieve some aches, pains, and tired muscles if you're a person maybe that stand up on your feet a lot. And then it says the tub can actually fit feet that are up to a men's size 12. And this is the Bubble Bliss Deluxe that we're taking a look at here. Unboxing it. So I'm gonna unbox it, and it has all these circles around it that just say pain relief for aching muscles. They have that red circle like pretty much on every part of the box, just letting you know that's what they're saying this can be helpful with. And it has this nice handle at the top, which I think is pretty good for carrying the box, getting it into the house. So just gonna unbox this here, open it on up. And I'm trying this out tonight. I will be trying this out. Didn't see any instructions in the box. Okay, so let's see here. So this is how it comes. There's some stuff that's stored up here. Let's see. Maybe that's the only thing that was stored right there, and that just looks like the attachments that go with it and the instructions. So there's these packs that have to be ripped off. So let's see inside here. You get a 2-year limited warranty. I said there were 3. Oh, maybe this is an attachment that's already hooked on here. So I guess you can pretty much, I'm going to break it on the first time using it. Oh, okay. So I guess it's just pretty much, see, if you watch any videos of me unboxing something like this, I can just, look at it and tell what to do. So it does have the 3 different attachments that you can use for massaging your feet. It did come with this one already clipped on here. And it looks like they're just pretty simple and easy to clip on. You just pretty much slide it in place there, and then it's there, so you can use it to massage your feet. And then it just pretty much comes right on out. And then this is depending on what type of massaging you want to do on your feet. You can put that there. And then there are lots of bubbles and raised spots inside of here. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see them, but it does have some raised up spots inside of there here too at the bottom. So I guess you can use the bottom too to rub your feet up against, again, to exfoliate your feet, if that's the correct term, to maybe get some of the dead skin off and massage your feet while they are up inside of here. As well as it has I can see the holes right here on these blue strips, I guess, will be the places where the bubbles will flow from and come up from. And it looks like, I'm guessing this here too is something that if you need to, you can put your feet up on here if you are, I guess, doing some type of footwork on your feet. I don't know, pedicure or scraping off some of that dead skin or something. Guess you got a place right here to sit your feet up top there. And it looks like it's just this power button that's right here. But again, everything just comes off pretty nice and easy. So it's no real struggle. For anybody dealing with any like arthritis, I guess, in your fingers, or lack of strength or something, everything comes off pretty nice and easy. So doesn't look like you have to put anything together. And the cord, it looks like a pretty nice length here for a cord. Yeah, this cord is just right out the box. I would think this is a pretty nice length, you know. Again, if you have an extension cord to get it where you want it to go, but for me sitting on my couch, I'll be perfectly fine on my sectional with this cord, because I got cords all around and behind my sectional. So like I said, I'm going to try this out tonight. Let me take a look at the instructions and see if there's any things that I might want to tell you guys about that I'm missing out on just by doing it myself. Okay, and so they do say, you know, that you can enjoy a foot massage just by rubbing your feet over the raised parts on the inside of here. If you want it to be soaking your feet in the warm water, you can just rub your feet up and down or back and forth against the parts that come up. Or if you want to do like a dry foot massage or foot rub, you can use this part right here. According to the instructions, you can use these parts right here to kind of like massage your feet, because these are raised as well. Not sure if you guys can see them, but this is the raised area here. If you wanted to use this part for like a dry foot massage, as well as this in the instructions, they're calling this like a splash guard. So I guess this area here is kind of to give some protection from maybe water splashing out when you're moving your feet and things like that. So I'm gonna give this a test. I don't know if I'm gonna be showing y'all my feet and all that stuff up on YouTube, but we're gonna see how this works out. And so let's keep watching the video so I can set up my area to relax and get this going. Okay, and just want to give an overview just in case from the angles I was showing it from, in case you couldn't see down in there, to see what I was talking about when I was saying how you can use these ridges, raised areas to like massage your feet, as well as you can use this area right here to massage your feet. Or once you put the splash guard on, you can use these raised areas here to massage your feet as well. And it's just one time to turn it on, one time to turn it off. As well as, I was looking because they were saying in the instructions that there's a max fill line, but the max fill line lets you know how high to put the water is right here. This is where the max fill line is at. Okay, you guys, so I am ready to try this out. So like we said before, like I said rather, the power button's right here. You just have to give it one push, it says, to start the bubbles. And I did put some Epsom salt in here. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put that in here or not, but I put it in mine. And then you just push one time to stop and turn the power off. So let me try it out with the next step of putting my feet in. So this water is not warm because I didn't put warm water in here. I forgot about that, so I'm gonna wait to see how long it takes for the water to warm up. So I waited a while, and the water didn't get warm, so I just went ahead and put my feet in the water. And it does feel good rubbing your feet across the raised parts on the floor of this tub. That does feel good, especially on my left foot. But I would probably just put warm water in it from the start. And there's also this place here that you can use to massage your foot, like I said earlier, depending on what type of massage feeling you want. And then there's this one. Okay, and like I said, this is pretty easy to clean out. Like I said, the top piece comes off very easy. And then I did use this right here. This did not come with it, but I did use this, you know, for scrubbing my feet and stuff to get all the dead skin off, and stuff worked out fine for me. And like I said, next time I would just I'll just use hot water. Look, every time I try to film, my little friend try to come and get all up in the camera and start making noise, y'all. So that's him with his name tags and stuff, making all that noise. But yeah, so I did use this, so it was a pretty good combo. Next time I will just use some hot water or warm water, since it didn't get hot, but I'm gonna keep it. Until next time, peace.